everyone, I'm Amy Simpson, the County Extension Agent in Clark County. It's February here in Arkansas, and that means it's time to get out there and prune our fruit trees and our small fruits. And with the sun shining today, I thought today would be a great day to get out here and prune these blueberry bushes, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. There are several reasons why we want to prune our blueberry shrubs each year, and one is to simply control the height and size of the shrub so it's more manageable and you can harvest berries up to the top of the plant with a still harvest. Another is to take out any dead or diseased wood and to promote new growth, and also to keep the size of our berries large. If we don't prune over the years, our berries will start to get smaller and smaller. So those are just a few of the reasons that we want to prune our blueberry shrubs each year. So let's get started. The tools we'll need for this are pruners. I have both bypass pruners and anvil pruners, and then I have larger versions of the same. So make sure your tools are clean and sharpened and well oiled before you start. When pruning mature blueberry shrubs, you want to start at the base and work your way up. Narrow the base by pruning out any outliers like this cane here. Then you want to take out 1 to 3 of your oldest canes. Older canes can be identified by their gray color and brushier tops. Newer canes can be identified by their red-green color. Okay, I hope you can see this well enough. This branch here is growing more horizontally, so I want to for sure take that one out. This one as well is growing more to the outside. I'm going to take that out. It's also rubbing against this other branch. It's a little larger, so it's going to require the loppers. This branch here, it's an older branch. It does have a new cane coming off of it, or a new lateral, but it's bending out to the side as well. And I'm just going to prune it right here and let the new growth off of that cane keep going. Off of that cane I just pruned off, and I mentioned there's a newer lateral growing off of it. If you can see, there's another horizontal piece sticking out here, and it's rubbing against another cane, and it's growing horizontally, so we're going to take that out with the smaller pruners. I've got one more older branch that I'd like to prune out of this particular bush. This one right here, and you can see hopefully as I'm moving it, it branches a lot, it's got a lot of laterals, and it's producing smaller berries now, so it's time for that one to come off. Once we've narrowed the base and taken out 1 to 3 of the older canes, we can then go through and look for anything growing horizontally and crossing other canes, like this one here, if you can see it. So I'm going to take that one out, and any others that are growing horizontally and crossing others. Also, any of these twiggy canes that are coming up at the base, those can be taken out pretty easily. Any of these really small twiggy pieces that again are crossing over, we can take those out. And next we're going to go through and selectively thin and prune out some of the older brushier top part of the canes. Hopefully you can see behind me this shrub is much cleaner. We've taken out some of the older canes, we've taken out some of the brushier tops, and anything that's crossing over, any weak wood, any dead wood, any outlying canes, so we've narrowed the base. So again, start at that bottom and work your way up. It's really pretty simple. Don't be scared to do it. If you'd like more details on how to properly prune your blueberry shrubs or any of your small fruits or tree fruits, contact your local county extension agent. We're always glad to help. Also, if you would like to learn more about becoming more self-sufficient in your garden or your home or with your livestock, be sure to follow our Facebook page. It's Self-Sufficient U-UADA, and it will also lead you to our Self-Sufficient U blog, where we have articles in there about gardening or food preservation or raising chickens. Lots of good information there, and we really hope you enjoy it. And I thank you for coming along with me today. Happy gardening.